In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and download invoices in Creative Cloud. Before we begin, make sure you have your Adobe ID and password ready and that you're using a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. This process works for most individual and team subscriptions, and you may need admin access if you manage a team account. Start by opening your browser and heading to adobe.com. If you aren't already signed in, click Sign In at the top right and enter your Adobe ID. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It may show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open the account menu, then choose Manage Account. Depending on your region or account type, it might also be labeled View Account, but it leads to the same place. You'll land on your Adobe account page. Here, navigate to the section related to billing. Look for a link that says View Billing History. This is where Adobe lists your past charges and documents tied to your subscription. If you've got multiple plans or a long history, use any available filters, such as date range, to quickly find what you need. Next, open the Orders and Invoices section. This area summarizes your transactions, including the plan name, billing date, amount, and payment status. It's a good idea to confirm you're viewing the correct Adobe ID, especially if you manage more than one account, so you don't miss the invoice you're after. Now you can generate and download the invoice you need. Find the specific order or billing period, then select View Invoice or a similar option. On many accounts, you'll see a download button that saves the invoice as a PDF. If you see a Generate Invoice or Get Invoice button, click that first and then download the PDF once it's ready. Give the file a clear name and store it somewhere you'll remember, like a Finance or Receipts folder. If you need to share it with your finance team, sending the PDF keeps formatting consistent, and if your billing history looks empty, try adjusting the filters or double check that you're signed into the correct Adobe ID associated with your Creative Cloud plan. That's it. Go to adobe.com, open your profile menu, head to Manage Account, view your billing history, open Orders and Invoices, and then generate and download the PDF. With these steps, you'll have your Creative Cloud invoices organized and ready whenever you need them.